Hey there guys, welcome to KSET single box break number 149 of 11-12 Panini Dominion. So last team ended was Edmonton Oilers on December 29th at 6:59 p.m. Eastern Time. So go up to Kearney Bay Dane time, hit refresh. So Kearney Bay Dane time is Saturday, December 29th at 7:26 p.m. Pacific, and it's Saturday, December 29th at 10:26 p.m. Eastern Time. So go back to our auction, 49. The serial number we're doing tonight is NE1898, then 4 X's and 90. The X's because we couldn't see the serial number on it. I'll show you guys what I mean by that, just because it's covered up there with the Panini thing. So it's NE1898, then if I just pull that, we can see the 90 at the end there. Okay, so I'll go over to the tin. So seal all around. I'll show you guys the serial number one more time and we'll get started, or whatever we can make out of it. And I guess we can see 5290 if we stretch it far enough. Okay, so good luck, guys. And tomorrow we got Panini Black Football, another Dominion, and double artifacts for tomorrow. We'll probably do one more break, then take a couple of days off for the New Year's, and we'll start up with probably a sealed case of the cup after. Yeah. Sealed. And here we go, guys. Good luck. Okay, we got another book. Yeah. Here we go, guys. So we got decoy. So we got, for the Boston Bruins, of Cam Neely, 141 of 199. Got autograph rookies of Anders Nilsson for the New York Islanders. So Anders Nilsson for the Islanders. Then we got another, we got rookie patch auto for the Philadelphia Flyers of Eric Gustafsson, 19 of 199. Nice patch. We got peerless patch for the Chicago Blackhawks of Dennis Savard, 16 of 25. Little vintage patches there. Then we got a 3-color Dominion patch, short print, 23 of 25 of Mark Messier for the New York Rangers. Then we got the quad fight strap prime patch jersey of Steven Stamkos for the the Tampa Bay Lightning, 10 of 15. And we got Crazy 8, number 18 of 25. Haven't seen it yet. Oh, it's going to be a big random. So we got Erik Karlsson, Zdeno Chara, Chris Letang, Ryan Sutter, Shea Weber, Dan Girardi, Keith Yandel, and Dion Phaneuf. So we're going to, I think it's Naturals in twice, and all the other teams are in once. So give me 1 second. We'll set up the randomizer and decoy after that. So I'll set up the randomizer. It's going to be a big random for this card. Turn you guys around here. Okay, so randomizer set up in the order as the card shows. So quickly just you guys view that. Okay, so the order is Senators, Bruins, Penguins, Predators, Rangers, Coyotes, and the Leafs. So each team is in 3 times each, and Nashville is in a few more times because of. So we're going to random the list 3 times, and the team on top after the 3rd time is going to receive the crazy 8. So good luck to all the teams in it. So 1, so all 24, so 24 teams or spots, sorry. 2 and 3, and it goes to the New York Rangers, and you have randomized this list 3 times. So congratulations, New York. Be sure to check out the breaks ending for tomorrow, which is Dominion, Double Artifacts, and Black Football. And have a great weekend, guys. Take care.